It's no secret that you can create product mockups using a wide variety of tools on the internet. Now, these images can come in handy when creating product pages, social media posts, and other marketing material. But did you know that you can create video mockups? So instead of hiring and paying someone to try on and model your clothes, and instead of blocking off several hours or even an entire weekend to do a video shoot, you can create video mockups that showcase your products in a matter of seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to make several different video mockups using a tool that we've been using for years called Placeit. First off, we're going to make a t-shirt mockup, and this is what it looks like without our design on the t-shirt. All we have to do is hit Insert Image, and then upload our design. Placeit will then allow you to reposition and resize the image as needed, and you'll notice that I uploaded a transparent PNG, and I'll show you why that comes in handy. So I'll go ahead and hit Crop. You can see the preview here. Since we uploaded the transparent PNG, we can go ahead and change the shirt color, and we're not going to see a big white rectangle around our image. Now that we're seeing the preview, I would actually like to move the image up just a touch, so I'm going to hit Resize, and then simply drag the image up a bit further. I'll go ahead and hit Crop again, and now the image is a bit higher. Now that we're ready, we'll watch the video mockup in action. And now we have a professional looking video that shows the t-shirt in a more dynamic and interactive way. Another product that is very popular to sell is a hoodie. Whether you're running a print-on-demand store or even a physical location, video mockups can certainly help you market your products, which can ultimately help you to increase your sales. They can also give your content a little more personality, in that a lot of these videos are lifestyle videos. They go above and beyond, let's say, a hoodie folded on a countertop, or a t-shirt simply hanging on a hanger. And it's not just limited to hoodies and t-shirts. You can create video mockups for items like tote bags, different types of hats, as well as mugs, just to name a few. And the great thing about Placeit is that you can do things like add music to your videos, and you can even add additional slides to make your video even longer. So what we can do is find even more videos of this same model to make an extended version of the video. So we have another clip of the exact same model wearing the same clothes that we can add to our existing video. As you can see, it's added down here at the bottom. We'll go ahead and turn some music on. And as you can see, there are many different options to choose from when it comes to the music selection. You can sort by different genres over on the left-hand side. You can also hit the play button to hear what they sound like, and then simply hit select once you've narrowed your choice down. Once we're ready, we can hit the Play All Slides button to watch our video and see if there are any final changes we'd like to make. And now you have an awesome video that's going to highlight and market your product. For more e-commerce tutorials and resources, be sure to subscribe to the eStoreKings YouTube channel.